Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the anime face TikTok trend edit on CapCut. So here I've already imported a photo and I want to change the face on this photo into an anime face, and it's actually trending now on TikTok, at least on mine region. And here is how you can change your face into an anime face. So first, uh please be noted that this only will be applied to a photo, so you can't do this on video. So what you need to do is click on the photo and then go to style, and in here there are four options that you can choose. But for girls, there's a GP, or I think it's Japan anime, dreamy anime, and also cat. So just choose one, click on that, and it's generating, and your face will be changed into an anime character. You can also do this with the other two. For example, I want to change, okay, so this is cat. Okay, I'm going to change it into the dreamy one. So here is the dreamy. I like this one. So for the male version, so this is the female, there is only one. So I'm going to choose a photo first for the male version. Wait a minute. Okay, so for example, this one's right here. So I'm going to click on the photo, go to style, and choose the muscle man. Okay, so that's the one. So here is for the female anime and here is for the male anime. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.